So, do you want to say something?
I'm curious. It's a planet girl. Out.
Let's get down to business. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing / tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your RAM inside of your MacBook over here. I have with me the 2008 aluminum MacBook version, not the MacBook Pro, just the regular MacBook. It has a case on it, but it is aluminum, it's not the white plastic kind. And right now it has 2 GB of RAM in it. As you can see here, we've got 2 1 GB chips installed, and today we're going to be upgrading to 2 2 GB chips. So hopefully my computer will be twice as fast. On your screen now is the Amazon RAM that I purchased. As you can see here, it's Apple certified. It's the 4 GB kit, and it's 1066 MHz DDR3 PC3 8500, and yeah. And this was around $20, which is a good deal. If I would have included the expert installation, it would have been another $84, which is not good. So, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, the first step is obviously to shut down your computer, so then nothing is interfered with. Step 2 is to open up the bottom tray and remove the battery. Step 3 is to remove the 8 screws holding down the upper tray. Bing, bing, bong, bong. Next, you can pull up on the top tray and it should come out with no cables attached. Next step is to remove the RAM. It is located right here. There's 2 blue chips that should be originally installed. You do this by pinching 2 black tabs over here, pull them out, and it should pop up and slide out. There's 1 chip. You can do this again by doing the same process, and it should pop out. The next step is to unbox the RAM you bought. Mine came in a little cardboard box with the label on the front. There are the 2 chips wrapped in bubble wrap. Removing the bubble wrap, they're in a little pink bag. And right on the top of them it says certified for Apple. As you can see here, both memory chips are looking the same. Obviously the new ones are green and the old ones are blue. I'm really not sure if you're supposed to remove the stickers before you put them in, but it says warranty void if removed, so I'm gonna try it first keeping it on. Next, you put both RAM chips back in as you did when you were taking them out. Next, reinstall the top cover. Lastly, put the battery back in and the cover back on. Next, if you did everything right, your Mac should start up as usual. If you did something wrong, for instance, got the wrong RAM, or put it in some weird way, then it will beep at you. This was my first RAM installation. Let's see how I did. Alright guys, this time I'm crossing my fingers, hoping that this works, because if it doesn't, I don't know what will, because I asked the seller if it'll work in this specific MacBook, and he said yeah, it will. So if this doesn't work, I have no idea what will. Yes! Yes! It's booting up! Hope I didn't speak too soon. No, I didn't. The Apple logo's there. This seller's getting good feedback for sure. Alright, alright. And boom. We are in, and hopefully twice as fast. As you can see, guys, I got the 4GB DDR3 1066 PC3 8500 memory kit, and that has the 2 of the 2GB chips listed here. Anyways, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Again, sorry that it took so long. Turns out I ordered the wrong stuff or something. Then I had to order new stuff, and that wasn't Amazon Prime, so it took a while to ship from Colorado. Then I had to go to the cabin, and it arrived the day I was at the cabin, so I had to wait an extra day, and all that fun stuff. So, sorry this video took a while. That is going to be it for the video. I hope you learned something. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button, of course. Get subscribed as well. And I hope you enjoy the eclipse tonight.